guys! Welcome to ABCGrok! Let's come to our video! Hello, friends! Let's travel the world and learn ABC international foods with Luno, Diro, and Tria. A is for burger. B is for biryani.
C is for dumplings.
D is for shawarma. E is for fish and chips. F is for croissant. G is for sausage. H is for goulash. I is for idli. J is for sushi. Is for kimchi. L is for lasagna. M is for tacos.
N is for jollof rice.
Is for dates.
P is for paella.
Q is for makhbouz. R is for pelmeni. Is for kapsa. T is for pad thai.
U is for hot dog.
V is for pho. W is for waffles. X is for xiaolongbao. Y is for yakitori.
Z is for pizza.
Goodbye, kids! Subscribe, like, and share. See you next video. Please watch our next video tomorrow.